Is recording started now? Okay, now it is. So, anyways, we yesterday were doing the poem. Yes or no, girls?
Yes.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
which poem it was?
So can I say
So can I say?
Yes, you all can say.
Sir, can I
the
say?
joys of childhood?
The
The
choice of
joys of childhood. A joy.
The joys of childhood. This is the poem we were discussing yesterday in the lecture, and which I said that I'm going to discuss the same today. Okay, and we have completed three stanzas till the swings and shooting ball. Yes or no?
Yes.
yes. Yes.
Okay. So here, let us start with another stanza. Are you all ready, girls, to understand and to discuss this poem?
Yes.
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 Okay. Now I'm going to read another stanza, and then we will discuss that. Then cozily in the mom's lap at night, listening to joyous words and toys anew. Then on terrace with dad, flying a kite with an innocent smile as fresh as dew. Now first two lines again I will read. Then cozily in the mom's lap at night, listening to the joyous words and toys anew. Now, how many of you like to sleep on your mom's lap?
I.
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 What is I? Do I know who are you?
Rabia.
ومساءكم فاطمة.
ترميم الغني رابي.
Qureshi Sadia.
Oh, okay. That means all the girls like to sleep only. See, just
No.
when I asked them who likes to sleep, and I Rabia.
I did not say it 3 times.
You repeat it like that only. And your one time is also
No.
as irritating as you speak three times. So never mind.
No.
Nah.
So my 3 times would be more than 3 times, no? So you
Three to
said
the
3 times.
six.
So I just spoke 1 time. That's why you are saying that it's like 3 times.
It's worse than 10 times, I tell you. So, anyways,
You
now,
just keep on calculating and calculating and calculating.
yeah, after the lecture gets over. Then cozily in the mom's lap at night, listening to the joyous words and the toys anew. Now what happens? Now someday it happens, not all the day. Now the children likes to sleep in their own room. Now they have their own room. But you know, sometimes it happens. Now, for example, for whole day, you and your mom are so busy that you don't have time to talk to each other, right? You are in your world, you go to school, then you come, you go to tuition, you come, and then you go to play. And at night, when you eat and when you finally have time, the bedtime, then you see your mom, you find your mom, and you keep your head on her lap. Even for 5 minutes, if you keep your head on her lap, and if she keeps her hand, and that 5 minutes can just make us rejuvenated, makes us re-energized. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
We
Yes.
easily forget whatever happened, we forget whatever grief was there, whatever wound was there on the body, whatever was there, we forget it, and we are with a beautiful smile on our face. And then, how many of yours, mom, tells you the story, bedtime story, still till the date?
Like not every day, but when I
No,
wish
no.
for.
Yes, once in a while. Or
Yes.
once in a blue moon, we should say. This phrase is very good. Rabia, you can use in the poem. Once in a blue moon.
Once bloom.
Once in a blue moon. Yes.
Yes, my mom.
So, so it is good. It is good to listen to the stories. Like we are so much big now. Mom does not tell us the story. She cannot keep our heavy head on her lap for half an hour because whenever I try to sleep, she gives me 5 minutes and then Jhadia. She says, "Let go." She says, "If you want, you can sleep near my pillow for 5 minutes only because obviously now she is growing older and we are growing younger, so obviously she cannot keep our head. But anyways, till the date, my grandmother tells me the story whenever I want, and whenever still, see, I was having typhoid before a few weeks, so she used to, apply Vicks on my head, and she used to sit beside me. She used to tell me the stories when she was in Pakistan and all these things. So that means she wanted to divert my mind. Similarly, your mom. Similarly, the poet wants to say that when you keep the head on the mom's lap, she tries to tell you different stories. Yes, stories might be same, but then she wants to divert your mind. She wants to make you joyful, right? Then on a terrace with dad, flying a kite with an innocent smile as fresh as dew. Now, how many of you like kite flying there? Kite poche.
I like
Yes, now I know who are you. Tell me your name.
Rabia.
Right. Seriously, they even have to make the effort to speak the name.
No.
No. Okay, only Rabia likes to fly the kite. No one else likes. If you don't like, you can say no, sir. I don't like. But at least speak.
I don't like. Milka.
I also don't like very much. For 10, 15 minutes I fly and then I eat. I listen to the songs. I look here and there.
Yes, because you
Like
only like eating. That's your job. That's your hobby.
that is my one of my hobbies. You can say not only the hobby, one of my hobbies. Second, my hobby is to eat. Third, my hobby is to eat. Fourth, my hobby is to digest. Fifth, my hobby is to again digest. So yeah, Bull came in our group.
You know that was me.
Ravel, you are driving that car. Swachh Bharat ka irada. I knew
What?
that you are doing your part-time job.
Anything,
No,
anything,
no.
anything.
Hold on. Sorry for the inconvenience. So, anyways, now, Rabia, stop your part-time job. Please pay attention
I
here.
don't do.
Girls, this voice came from her mic. Yes or no?
Yes, it came from my mic, but it's
Girls,
not
yes or no? Stop
necessary. But
it.
it's not
Girls,
necessary that it was mine.
girls, yes or no? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
No,
See, she said yes, sir. That means you do that job. Very well.
no. You said it intentionally so that they can say yes, and then you can say that. See, they are saying yes, sir.
See, actually, it is not bad. Actually, you're doing good job to collect the garbages. But then you too get inside that, no?
Sir, please.
Bull came, come on.
No boles diya.
Okay. Now, poet in the last line says, with an innocent smile as fresh as dew. Now, Rabia will not answer. Other girls. What is the meaning of dew? D-E-W, dew?
Sir, I know. Can I tell?
Yes, please.
Dew means Sometimes we can see in plants at night. In a fresh morning, we can see water droplets,
Mm,
like water droplets.
can you elaborate?
Yes.
Please elaborate. She did not understand. I'm
I
telling you to
think
explain in detail. See, in the winter season especially, you can see dew either on the plants. Plants are wet in the morning. Your scooter seat, if you observe that seat, that is also wet in the morning. And then in the morning you think someone has applied the water. No, that is the dew. Have you seen wet seats in the morning when it is winter season?
yes,
And then when you just splash your finger like this, it will make the design of water. Yes, this is what I have seen Rabia doing.
yes.
So, anyways,
No,
Rabia, someone will throw you out of the house. So don't shout like this.
no.
No, no, no. You have varieties of no. Okay. So here the poet compares the smile of a child with a fresh dew early in the morning in the winter season, which is now going, which will come back next year. So you can see that your seeds, your plants are wet, somewhat wet. Okay, and then you need to you need to clean your seed. You need to, rub it with your clothes so that it becomes dry. Why it is wet? Because no one has applied the water. It is just the dew in the morning. So it is very fresh and it is cold when you touch it. The water is cold over there because it's cold season, obviously. So that is the reason why poet compares the smile of a child because when the elders smile, we have different smiles. See, for example, we smile like this. That means we are making fun of anyone. Yes or no? Yes
Yes,
or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Hey, are the girls sleeping?
Yes.
Yes, she said girls are sleeping.
no, no.
Don't scold me. Nah. What is that? Like a cow mooing. Anyways, what am I saying is here the poet compares the smile of a child with a dew because it is fresh. They don't have any other intention. They just smile. See, especially when the newborn baby, when they are moving like this, and when you do something which makes them smile. So as soon as you see the smile on the newborn baby, on the face of newborn baby, you also feel like smiling. Yes or no? Just like that, because they are very
Yes,
fresh. The smile is like you cannot compare it with it. It is you know, we cannot just describe it in the words. It is such fresh smile. Knowing neither grief nor worry, lost in their own jolly world, at their own pace, nearer in a hurry, aspiring to build a happy dream world. Now, here it is written that knowing neither grief nor worry. That means child does not know about any sadness. They don't have to worry about anything because they don't know anything in the world. Just they know that I have to play, I have to eat, I have to take bath, I have to brush my teeth, I have to enjoy with my friends, and I have to sleep and again wake up next early in the morning. This is what they know, right? They only have one sadness that I have to go to school. So when they sit in the auto rickshaw, they cry. I don't want to go. And the mother takes out the sleepers. Are you going or not? So the baby, my God, see, I don't know about you, but my mother used to do that because once it happened. Okay, can I again share one story related to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure you want to listen to the story?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Okay. So what happens, when I was in fifth or fourth standard, I was having asthma. Do you know that this is asthma? We need to take pump.
Yes.
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 Otherwise you can not breathe properly. I was having that disease, but not major. It was minor. It has gone with my exercise. But once it happened that I came to know that I have this disease from the doctor. Okay, and I was very cunning. My mind was very sharp. I was very intelligent, from my childhood. So it happened like when I
Oh,
was playing in the school, I was tired. I did not want to attend other four lectures after recess, which were for half hours. My God, who will attend 2 hours? So, and it was school. It was not a college. We cannot go move out of the class whenever we want. So when I sat in the class, I was just wiping up my perspiration because I played outside and I drank the water. And then it was social lecture, which was one of my favorite lectures. So I attended that lecture, and then it was mathematics lecture. My God, I did not want to attend that. And the teacher, mathematics teacher, she was like this. She came, put down the purse, take out your fair books and homework. And my fair book was never.
complete.
It was
You
never
you
complete.
scold us that your fair books are not
Okay. Now,
complete.
what was I saying? What was I saying is that I wanted to,
See,
I,
you changed the
I,
topic.
I wanted to go home. So what did I do? I started. I first of all, what I was sitting alone on the bench. I did not like anyone accompanying me on the bench. That bench is mine. So I threw my bag and I slept on the bench like this. And the teacher was like this, oh, in my lecture he's sleeping. And like this with the legs open on the bench. Girls, can you do that? When sir or teacher is standing, you will sleep on the bench. Will you do that?
No,
Never.
no, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Not possible, right? But I did it. I was having, I was daring. I was having that, kind of, I was a gallant boy. Right from my childhood, still I am. So what am I saying is, I was sleeping. Teacher came like this. Oh, everything is recorded. Sorry. Anyways, then teacher came. Why are you sleeping? Nonsense. Get up and this and that. And I was like, and she said, what happened? Sorry, I did not want to scold you. What happened? Why are you crying? I said, I'm not crying. I'm having asthma problem. Bring something for me. I having. And she was like,
Just
and she was
drama.
like, that drama. And teacher was burst into tears that, oh, sorry, I did not want to scold you. And inside I was laughing. And but outside I wanted to go home. Call my parents, I want to go. Okay, I will call you. Get up, you get up. And then she called up my parents and my mother came and my mother, what happened? What happened? I said, let me go home, I will tell you everything. So mother brought me home and she stood like this. What happened? You are all normal. I said, actually, my stomach was paining. To her, I gave another reason. And, and then in the evening, I told the truth that, Mom, my fair book was not complete. Secondly, I don't like mathematics. Thirdly, I wanted to come home and I wanted to
And
spend my time with
fourthly,
you. I wanted to spend my time with you. So she was emotional. Oh, my dear child. And
you
second
just
day,
emotionally blackmail.
and second day at my home, I did the same. At the school, I did the same thing. I slept in the social lecture now because it was civics, which I did not like. I only like history. If you are doing of my interest, I will stay here. So it was civics. And now I started the same thing. And the social teacher, she was smarter than me. I did the same thing, slept on the bench and this and that. And she said, okay, don't worry, I will call doctor. He will bring the injection and you will be all okay. Okay. No, no, I said, I'm all okay. Nothing happened to me. I'm all okay. I'm sitting here, see. And the class started laughing for half an hour that, see, Rohan, your, you know, the master came for you. So that teacher still remembers me because she is of same caste of what I am. Whenever she meets me on the road, do you have a stomach problem anymore? I said, no, I don't have it anymore. So this is what happens, right? Okay, any one of you, do you want to share anything?
No, because I have not done any such things in school.
You cannot do, your story is smarter. You cannot play any kind of pranks.
Till fourth standard, you were not there.
Sir,
So
Yes,
I
I
I
was.
can, but I did not.
You could have done it. Yes, I know that because you are very much of drama, full of drama inside.
No,
sir,
Fifth
can I
variety of
know this,
law.
sir?
no,
Yes, yes. Someone wants to speak, Raja. Stop speaking now, now. Someone wants to speak.
I'm not speaking now.
Who wanted to speak? Come on.
Sir, I know this, Sarajani.
Yes, Mohdesa, you go on.
Sir, one time I have operation on my hand. Uh, then my operation was done and everything is okay. Then my plaster is also opened. So I come to school with a red belt. So uh, I say my sister is also there. Two sister is there in seventh class and in sixth class was there. So I say
Who
to
is your
one
sister?
sister
I don't know. Sixth, seventh class.
in seventh class,
Huh? What is the name?
sir, one sister's name is Alvira and second sister's name is Rajani Sakina.
Oh, yes, Rajani Sakira. She's your sister.
Yes,
I did not know. In English medium only,
yes,
no?
yes.
Because because in seventh I used to take the lecture in previous year, so I know that. Yes, yes. Rajani Sakina. Good. So what did you do?
So I said to my second sister, not to Rajani Sakina, because she was angry with me. So I said to second sister that my hand is paining. So she says to Alpa ma'am because Alpa ma'am was a class teacher. No? She says to Alpa ma'am, then Alpa ma'am, my mother takes to me in school to home. So at home I was playing. So
Wow.
mother says that you don't have pain in your hand. So I said I was uh, I was acting.
Ah, then you got the 8 number slippers on your face or 10 number? Means
No,
mothers or fathers?
no, no slippers.
Not slippers. Then
So
what do we call
sandals,
that? No, no. We make chapati with.
mop.
In
No,
in Hindi it is said belam.
Ah, that. No, Rabi is
we
saying mop. She might be getting mopped many a times. But I'm talking about you.
no. I
That,
never get anything. I don't get anything.
yes, if they just ask you to get lost, then you don't get
No,
anything there.
no. I don't do anything that like that
Okay. But
because I'm
Modesta,
very innocent.
uh, stay away from Rabia because she will give you these kind of ideas only.
No,
Anyways, now knowing neither grief nor worry, lost in their own jolly world. So this is what happens when we are child. Like I shared the story, Modesta shared the story. That this is what happens. We are lost in our own jolly world. We don't know any sadness. See, I'll just ask you one question and you will understand these two lines. Okay. Now, if I ask you the question, I'm talking about first and second standard most probably. Why they student? Why do they cry? For what reasons?
Or like their pencil or something is lost, book is lost.
They
There's something stationery is lost.
Or they can't go to play, that's why.
They don't want to do homework.
okay. See, there are only a handful of the reasons why do they cry. Okay, but why do we become angry and cry? We have many reasons. We don't get this scooter, we don't get this cycle, we don't get this clothes, we don't get our toys. Our parents are not allowing us to go to picnic. Our parents are not allowing us to go out with the friends and many more. Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
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 There are like bunch of the reasons we have. Why do we get sad? Even and when you're sitting in the class like this and your friend doesn't talk to you, she only shares one topic with other friend in the ears. You are like, hmm, if you don't want to say, don't want to speak, now tomorrow onwards I will sit in the other bench. This way you start fighting. So here the poet says that the child does not have any kind of grief or worry which elders are having. They do have, they cry. If the newborn baby, if he or she is not able to speak, what do? They cry. But they don't cry like this. Even if they cry, we are happy that, oh, baby wants something or this and that, and we start playing with them, and we just do like this and that, and we make them happy, and they are smiling. So they don't have, such sadness as we have. We become sad, we become angry in the small, small things, but their default mode is ecstatic. They are most probably ecstatic. They are happy all the time. So this is what poet says here. At their own pace, nearer in a hurry, aspiring to build a happy dream world. Now, they are always in a hurry. See, first, second, third standard students, fourth standard students, they keep their bag at the home, they throw that and they go in the hurry with their friends. They come, they eat in the hurry, they want to watch the cartoon, they want to play this. All the time they are in the hurry, they want to do and do and do. They are lively, right? They never stop unless it's their time to sleep. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So this is what poet says here that they are always in hurry. They want to do this and that and they want to do every single thing unless they are at last tired and they want to sleep. And what happens, you might have noticed that or you might have done that in your childhood days that when they are tired, they don't say I want to sleep. They become angry, they become kind of, some other thing, I want to eat, this and that, don't disturb me. So their behavior changes and this shows that they are tired and they want to eat. They must say like that. Yes or no?
Yes.
Your small
Yes.
your younger brother or sister might be doing like that. And you have to just support them. Your mom might be scolding you because you are the elder most of the time. But this happens
No, I'm
when
younger.
you are. Yes, I am also younger, but still mom scolds me a lot, not to my brother. So anyways, at their own pace, nearly in a hurry, aspiring to build their own happy dream world. So they are in their own world. See, this means one live example, when you're sitting in the classroom, most probably you want to sit inside. See, say for an example, this is your bench and you want to sit near the wall. Yes or no, all the time?
No.
No.
Because that is the safest place you feel you sit in. And other two students are there, so you feel this is the safest place and you sit like this. And the moment we ask you to sit outside, you are like, "Hey, sir will come, teacher will come, I don't write." So this is how you feel. You don't have brain that sir can remove two cursor, he can remove you also. right? So this
It's
is what, and so you're in the own world, and the moment you sit inside, you are like, and sir is teaching something. Sir calls your name. Say for an example, XYZ calls your name again and again. And the moment, sir, shh, what are you doing? You are like, so you are in the own world. Yes or no? Did you get my point?
yes.
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 Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubts so far in the poem?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No.
Are you very sure? Someone is having cough. Are you very sure you don't have a doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then now the remaining portion we will complete of this poem. Remaining stanzas we will complete in the next lecture. Please make sure you and your friends are present. You can call them up. You can ask them to be present, and so that they can take the advantage of few things which are not given in the PDF file, because explanation cannot be given in the PDF file. Instructions and the tricks cannot be given in the PDF file. So please make sure you be present. And Rabia, now you can continue your work. Swachh Bharat. Goodbye.
No.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.